So now the students see here, so in the third question, find the difference between the following amounts. Some amounts are given, so we should find the difference between the amounts. The first amount is 296 rupees 85 paisa and the second amount is 439 rupees 80 paisa. So this is the greater one, this is the least one. From bigger to smaller we should subtract. It means first we should take 439 rupees 439 rupees and 80 paisa. The second one is 296 rupees 85 paisa. Now subtract. Now 0 minus 5 we cannot make minus because minute is smaller. So borrow from here, you will get 7 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now take borrow from here, you will get 8 and 17. 17 minus 8 means 9 to 17 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is 9. Point. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 9, this is the minute. Minute is less, so borrow from here. 2, it is 3, it is decreased by 1 means 3, here 13. 13 minus 9 is 4, 3 minus 2, 1. This is 142 rupees 95 paisa. Okay, here. The second question. The first amount is 680 rupees 35 paisa. Second amount 339 rupees 25 paisa. This is the bigger amount, this is the smaller amount. First we take 680 rupees and 35 paisa, and the second amount is 339 rupees 25 paisa. Now subtract. Okay, 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 2 1, then point. Then borrow from here 7 and 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus 3 means from 4 to 7 we have to count 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 4. 6 minus 3, 3. 341 rupees 10 paisa. Okay. The next one. 16 rupees 35 paisa, 39 rupees 8 paisa. So this is the bigger amount. First we take 39 rupees and 8 paisa. The second amount is rupees 16 rupees 35 paisa. Now subtract. Then 8 minus 5 means from 6 to 8, count 6 to 8, 6, 7, 8. It is 3. Then 0 minus 3 we cannot make minus, so borrow from here. You will get 8 here and 10. 10 minus 3 means from 4 to 10, count 4 to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 7. Okay, 73 paisa. Then after that, 8 minus 6 means 7, 8. It is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 1 is also 2. 22 rupees 73 paisa difference. Okay. The next one, 106 rupees 85 paisa and 56 rupees 27 paisa. So this is the highest one, means greater amount. So first you take greater amount, that is 106 rupees 85 paisa, and the second amount is 56 rupees 27 paisa. Okay. Now subtract. Borrow from here. You get 7 here and 15. 15 minus 7 means from 8 to 15 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 8. Okay. 8. 7 minus 2 means 3 to 7. Count 3 to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 5. 58 paisa. Then 6 minus 6, 0. Now borrow from here. You will get 0 and 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 0, no need to write. That is 50 rupees 58 paisa. this is the difference, this is the difference. Okay. So, this is about the topic in performance times A, subtraction. So, how to subtract money, so that we learn. Then in performance time D, multiplication of money. How to multiply money? How to multiply money? See here, the first one 99 rupees 85 paisa. So, then multiply by 8. How to multiply? With 8. So, first multiply 8 with 5. 8 5s are 40. 40 means 0 in ones place and 4 we should take carry over on tens place of a pies. Now 8 with 8. 8 8s are 64 plus 4 65, 66, 67, 68. 68 8 in tens place of a pies. So, then here 6 we should take carry over on the next digit of a rupees. So, that is on ones place of a rupees. Okay. Now 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 6 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. 78 8 in ones place of a rupees and 7 we should take carry over on next digit of a rupees. Then again 7 9 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72 plus 7. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So, that completes 79 we should copy. Okay. Then after 2 digits from right to left, after 2 digits from right to left we keep a decimal. So, then what is the answer? 798 rupees 80 paisa. Okay. The next, the product. The next amount 180 rupees 45 paisa, multiply with 4. Then 4 5s are 20. 20 means 0 in ones place and 2 we should take carry over on tens place. 4 4 are 16, 17, 18. 18 means 8. And one more 1 we should take carry over on next place of a rupees. Then 4 with 0. 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Then 4 8s are 32. 32 means 2 here and 3. We should take carry over on next digit. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7. After 2 digits from right to left, we should take a point. So, the answer is 721.80. Okay. Now, here 300 rupees 375 paisa, multiply with 5. First 5 with 5. 5 5s are 25 and 2 we should take carry over on next place of a pies. Then after that 5 7s are 35, 36, 37. 7 in pies and 3 we should take carry over on next place of a rupees. Then 5 with 0. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Next 5 zeros are 0. Then 5 3s are 15. After 2 digits we keep a decimal from right to left. So, that is 1503 rupees 75 paisa. So, this is the concept on multiplication. Okay. Now, students, the next in performance time E. So, the concept is based on money. The first question, so solve the following: rupees 35 rupees 25 paisa divided by 5 divided by 5. See here, 35 rupees 25 paise divided by 5. First, in 5 table, when you will get this 3. So, 3 is less. So, we should take 35 at a time. In 5 table, when you will get 35, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35. 35 minus 35 is 0. No need to write 0. Then after that copy the next, that is 2. The decimal number we are copying, so you keep a decimal in our quotient. So then 2 is less than the divisor, so copy the next digit, that is 5. If you copy 2 digits at a time, you keep a 0 here. Okay. Now you check when you will get 25 in 5 table. 5 5s are 5 5s are 25. Then 25 minus 25 is 0. The answer is, if you divide 35 rupees 25 paisa with 5, the answer is rupees 7 rupees 5 paisa. 7 rupees 5 paisa. Okay. So this is the answer. The next one, 42 rupees 18 paisa should divide with 6. So 42 rupees 18 paisa divide with 6. Here first we take extreme left digit, that is in rupees 4. 4 is less than this divisor, so we take 42 at a time. 42 at a time. Then when you will get 42 in 6 table, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 7s are 42. Then 42 minus 42 0, so no need to write that 0. Then after that copy after decimal places, means we take a decimal here, then copy 1. So 1 is less than the divisor, so copy one more digit, that is next digit 8. Then 18. If you copy 2 digits at a time, you keep a 0 here. Now in 6 table, when you will get 18, 6 3s are 6, 3s are 18. 18 minus 18, 0. So if we divide 42 rupees 18 paisa, so with 6, the answer is 7 rupees 3 paisa. 7 rupees 3 paisa. Okay. This is our second question solution. Now the third question, 80 rupees 8 paise divided with 8. Then 80 rupees and 8 paisa divided with 8. Then they take 80 at a time. So 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are 80. 80 minus 80 0. So then now you copy the next decimal digits, you keep a decimal here. 0 is less than the 8, then copy one more digit. 2 digits we are copying at a time, you keep a 0 here. Then 0 8 means 8. In 8 table, when you will get 8, 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Therefore rupees 80 rupees 8 paisa. If we divide with 8, the answer is 10 rupees 1 paisa. 10 rupees 1 paisa. Okay. Next question, 56 rupees 26 paisa divided by 4. So 56 rupees 26 paise divided with 4. Now extreme left digit in rupees, that is 5. When you will get 5 in 4, so 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 more means 4 1s are we should take. 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. Then copy the next, that is 6. When you will get 16 in 4 table, 4 4s are 4 4s are 16. Then 16 minus 16 is 0, no need to take. Now copy the decimal places. 2. Decimal place means here keep a decimal point. 2 is less than this divisor, so you copy next digit 6. Okay. You copy the next digit. So then now here after that we took here decimal places at a time, means we keep a 0 here. 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. It is more means 4 6 are 24. We should take 24. Then minus 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 0, no need to take. So then after that here 2 left. In each and every step after the decimal we can take 1 0. So that we can take. So keep 1 0. Then 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. It means if we divide 56 rupees 26 paisa with 4, the answer is rupees 14 rupees 065 paisa. Okay. Now, so in performance timing, division of money, 125 rupees 50 paisa divided by 5. Then see here, 5 divides 125 rupees 50 paisa. Now, how to divide? First, extreme left digit in rupees, that is 1. So 1 is less than the divisor, should take 12 at a time. Then it is near to 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. If you subtract 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 1 0. Now you copy 5. When you will get 25 in 5? 5 5s are 25. Now after that copy the next. The decimal point means first you take decimal and 5. In 5 table when you will get 5? 5 1s are 5. Then after that copy 0. In 5 table when you will get 0? 5 0s are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Then the answer, if rupees 125 rupees and 50 paise divided with 5, your answer is 25 rupees 10 paise. Okay, this is your answer. Now, here 854 rupees 63 paisa divided with 7. Now, in 7 table when you will get this 8? 7 1s are 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now copy the next 5. 15. In 7 table when you will get 15? 7 2s are 14, near to 15. 7 2s are 14. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now you copy one more. Then in 7 table when you will get 14? 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 14, 0. Now you copy 6. Then decimal. 7, this copy 6. 6 is smaller than the divisor. So you copy the next digit. That is 6. That is 3. The 2 digits we are copying at a time. So keep 0 here. 7 9s are 63. 63 minus 63, 0. So it means if we divide 854 rupees 63 paisa with 7, the answer is 122 rupees 9 paisa. Okay. Next. Now see here. So divided with 3. So then what? What is the answer? So in 3 table when you will get this 4? 3 1s are 3. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. And the copy next, that is 3, 13. 3 4s are 12. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0, no need to take. 18. 3 6 are 18. Then after that decimal place. Decimal place means here keep a decimal. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 and the copy next 2. 3 4s are 12. So it means if we divide 438 rupees 42 paisa with 3, the answer is rupees 146 rupees 4 paisa. 4 paisa. The next one, 36 rupees 84 paisa. 36 rupees 84 paisa. If we divide with 2, then what is the answer? See here we take extreme left digit, that is 3. When you will get 3 in 2 table? 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now you copy next digit, that is 6. Now it is 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16 0. No need to write. Then next decimal place, that is 8. Here keep decimal. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 0. No need to write. Then copy 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. It means if we divide 36 rupees 84 paisa with 2, the answer is 18 rupees 42 paisa. 18 rupees 42 paise. Okay. Now students, next word problems. The first question, Suraj had 525 rupees with him. So how much money? So he is having 525 rupees. In that he gave 250 paise to his friend and 50 rupees 75 paisa to the shopkeeper. Then how much money left with him? First we should find how much money he gave to his friend as well as the shopkeeper. So you should find the total. You should find the total, how much money he gave to his friend as well as the shopkeeper. Then after finding the sum, that complete sum, we should subtract how much money he is having. So then you will get how much money left with him. Okay. Now first, money given to his friend. Money given to his friend. How much money he has given to his friend? That is 200 rupees and 50 paisa. Here rupees, here paise. Next, money given to shopkeeper. Money given to shopkeeper. How much money he has given to the shopkeeper? 50 rupees 75 paisa. Then add. Total how much money he gave? 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means 2 in tens place of a pice, and 1 we should take carry over on 1's place of a rupees. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 5, 5 and 2. 251 rupees and 25 paisa. So this is the amount. Then amount, how much amount he is having? Amount Suraj had. How much money he is having? That is 525 rupees. There is no pice means 0, 0 pice. Then amount given to his friend and shopkeeper, and then how much amount he has given to his friend and shopkeeper? That is 251 rupees 25 paisa. Then amount left with him means subtract. Amount left with him. How much amount left? So that means you should take carry. Here you will get 4, here you will get 10. Here 9 and here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 5, again borrow from here, 4 and 12. that is 12 minus 5 is 7, 4 minus 2 2, 273 rupees 75 paisa. So this much amount is left with him. Okay. The next question. If a meter cloth cost is given 56.25, then what is the price of 5 meter cloth? So 1 meter cloth is given and he is asking 5 meters cloth. If unit is given and more he is asking, means we should multiply. So 1 meter cloth cost how much? 56 rupees 25 paisa. Then 5 meter cloth cost is equal to the unit price multiply with 5. Now 5 with 5, 5 5s are 25, extreme right digit of a piece, that is 5. 5 multiply with 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 means 5 here and 2 we should take carry over on the next digit of a piece. Then after that 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 means 2 here and 1 we should take carry over on next digit of a rupees. Then 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 31, 1 here and 3 here, next digit. 5 5 are 25, 26, 27, 28. After 2 digits we keep a decimal. So this is the rupees. So then 5 meters cloth cost is 281 rupees 25 paisa. Okay. Now next, Dinesh bought 3 shirts at a rate of 255 rupees 80 paisa. Then how much did he pay in all? So Dinesh bought 3 shirts at a rate of 255.80 for each means one shirt price. One shirt price is 255 rupees 80 paisa. Then what about 3 shirts price? Means 3 shirts price. So the total how much he paid means 3 shirts price he is asking. Okay. One shirt price is equal to rupees 255 rupees 80 paisa. Then amount Dinesh has to pay for 3 shirts, for 3 is equal to 255 rupees 80 paisa multiply with 3. Now first extreme right digit, that is 3 with 0, 3 zeros are 0. Next 3 8s are 3 with 8, 3 8s are 24, 4 in tens place of a pice and 2 is the very next place of a rupees. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17 and 1 here. So 3 5s are 15, 16 and 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 767 rupees 40 paisa. This much amount he has to pay for 3 such shirts. Okay.